My name is Rizy and I am the marketing assistant of the BDC Korean Language Learning Center. And this is our Pogi native Korean instructor, Sir Choi Bogno. Siya po ay nakatira na sa Pilipinas sa loob ng 17 years at patuloy na nagtuturo sa Pilipinas sa loob ng 14 years. Here in our Korean Language Learning Center, we help our fellow Filipinos to learn, study, and help them. For those who want to work abroad or work in Korea, we offer free orientation and very affordable tuition fees with flexible schedule. How to enroll? You can visit us at Mabini Street, Barangay 9 of Lipa City, Batangas, near at Cathedral Church and Lipa City Public Market. Bongdog Choi number 1.
선생님 사랑합니다.